Hello, my name is Rachel and I'm the creator behind Food by Rach, and today we're going to be making a Blue Spirulina Smoothie Bowl using Unicorn Superfoods Blue Spirulina powder. Let's get started. So for the recipe, you'll need frozen banana, plant-based milk, frozen pineapple, and then the Blue Spirulina powder. You can get the Blue Spirulina powder at www.unicornsuperfoods.com and shop their site. Alright, and that is it to make this delicious smoothie bowl. Don't forget you can shop the Blue Spirulina at unicornsuperfoods.com.